just slay. Yeah.
Hello guys, it's your girl All Things Essential. Welcome back to my channel. Before you come into my channel, I have 3 rules. Learn with me, grow with me, and do not judge me. Today I am here to create this look with you guys, and I hope you guys like it. I'm going to be showing you guys step by step what I did to create this look. So if you want to see this look, make sure you stay tuned and watch this entire video. If you watch this entire video, make sure you leave a comment below in the comment section. Okay, so I'm gonna do less talking today. Well, actually, I'm going to talk to you guys throughout the video because I normally don't do that. I have a voiceover normally, but today I was like, why not talk to you guys and tell you guys why I didn't post last week? Yes, smack on the hand. Okay, so we're gonna get right into the video, and yeah, let's go. All right, guys, I already did this eye. I'm gonna do the left eye now. It took me, I'm such a perfectionist that it's ridiculous. Like, woo, child. I already did my brow, as you can see. Then I went ahead and I look so crazy without one eye done. But then I went in with the Juvia's Place concealer. It's in the shade 24. I use this when I'm gonna use bright colors because I'm a brown skinned female and certain colors do not show up on my skin. So I went on to use just a little bit of this and I primed my eye with that. So my eye is already primed, prepped, and ready. So I'm just gonna get right into the video of how I created this look. I'm gonna be using my Alyssa Edwards palette. If you guys don't remember this palette, I got it a couple of months ago and I did a review on it. So if you would like to watch that review, I will put the link up in here. The first thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take this brown. Actually, I'm just gonna show you guys now what colors I'm gonna be using in this palette. I'm gonna be using the brown, the black, and the peach color. It's like a peach color. I'm gonna be using the peach color. So first thing I'm gonna do is take that brown and I'm gonna be looking down in my mirror. Oh, actually I can use this so we can stay in frame. So I'm gonna take this, and you have to make sure that you know where your eye lid is. Hold on, let me blend that out. Make sure if you got hooded eyebrows that you're blending the creases out, because I just formed the crease from waiting so long to do this lid. So here we go. We're gonna take the brown up in the Alyssa Edwards palette, and I'm gonna take that and I'm gonna lightly put it along my brow bone. Okay, the next color I'm gonna be doing is I'm gonna take the peachy color and I'm going to lightly, that is not lightly essence. This is a skill. Like, when people who don't do makeup, they don't know that this is a skill. Like, I have to look in here, make sure I'm in the camera, and also make sure I'm blending in the right spot. Like, that's a skill. And then I'm gonna take the black in the Alyssa Edwards palette. This color is called Beast, and I'm gonna kind of put that in the crease. I like to take the color and put it where I want it to be first, and then I go blend it in. So that's what I'm doing here. Going back in with the Juvia's Place concealer. Because I don't know how to cut my crease really good, I tried to use my small brush that I got from, where did I get this from? I don't remember. But I'm using my small brush, and I'm going to try to match this up. So I'm trying to do it on camera so you guys can see what I did. So here we go. Perfect as possible. There we go. And then I'm gonna clean this up. All right, I'm back, and now that this is semi-dry and there's no creases, I'm still in the Alyssa Edwards palette. I'm using the Brick Road. It's that yellow right there. I didn't say that color when I told y'all what I was gonna use. I don't know why. But anyway, I'm gonna talk to you guys today. So this video is probably gonna be long because I actually care. And all I'm doing is just putting the yellow color into my crease. And I'm patting it in. I'm not rubbing. I'm not doing any of that. I'm just patting. Making sure that I hit all my angles. I didn't post last week. What people fail to realize when starting a YouTube is very overwhelming. Not in a bad way, because this is what I want to do. I don't have to do this. I could just excuse I don't have to do this, but I choose to do it. So I just needed a little break. And I didn't even need a little break. I didn't do any makeup that week, actually. I didn't even touch a makeup brush. I probably, if I did, I probably cleaned the makeup brushes. But I was just having one of those, I don't know if y'all have these days where you wake up, you want to have a good day, but something in your body or mind tells you not to have a good day. And with work being stressful, and then like my birthday is coming up, that kind of like stressed me out when I thought I was doing something that was less stressful. And it's really, I'm not really doing anything. Like, it's crazy because I'm not really doing anything. So my birthday kind of stressed me out, and then work, and then, you know, I got a couple of things I want to pay off, so that kind of stressed me out. And I just was stressed out and in my little feelings and thinking of a master plan at the same time. So then I was like, no makeup, no YouTube, and I need to stop doing that, because how are you guys gonna trust me? How are you guys gonna trust to follow me if I'm not posting? Or as soon as y'all follow me, I'm not posting content. So I'm gonna work on that. It's just my mood to be up and down, unpredictable. I'm not pregnant, thank God. But it's just a woman. I don't know if y'all have those days, but I do. And in those days, I need to do stuff to make me feel better. And yes, makeup is one of those things, but then, and I did do makeup. Actually, I did do makeup because I posted it on my page. So I did do makeup. I'm gonna post a look up here because I did do a makeup look. I'm gonna post it there. And I just didn't post on YouTube. So that's why it's also important for you guys to pretty much follow me on social media, because sometimes when I don't post on here, I'm posting on social media. So, but I want to post on here all the time, But when I get in my little moods, it's just like, do I want to edit a video? Do I want to? Do I want to? And it's like, no, you don't want to. So I'm cleaning this up again. So I was like having one of those moods last week. So, oh, I just fucked that, man. Are you serious? All right, guys, I popped on some lashes and I finished my eyeshadow look. So I'm gonna go ahead and beat my face. And when I beat my face, I'm gonna talk to you guys. I normally don't talk, I just go right through it. But today, I'm finna talk to y'all to see what it do, what's good, what it is, and what it ain't. All right, it is the summertime, and in the summer, I get really dark. Not really dark, because I haven't been outside like that, but I'm gonna take the MAC foundation, and I'm taking 2 squirts, and I'm taking 2 squirts of the Fenty, I'm gonna take 2 squirts. Then I'm gonna mix it. I don't know if y'all mix y'all foundation, because when I went to Sephora, they told me that they couldn't find my shade for the Fenty. So I had to find an alternative, because I was gonna get me a Fenty foundation the way y'all been talking about it. So I'm just gonna pat that into my skin. Okay, we got that all blended in. Then I'm gonna take my Sephora concealer in Bright Future, and I'm going to put it under my eye. I'm going to immediately put some setting powder on, immediately. Today is Kobe's birthday. I was not really a Kobe fan, but just to hear his story of how he passed is so sad. So I'm trying to kind of like stay off social media today, as if he was like my family or something. It's just really sad, and it's a tragic situation. And then it's just to watch his wife, you know, raise their kids alone. It's just a tragic situation. Like, I think it's tragic. So, and it just made me sad, because I remember losing somebody close to me, and people just don't understand unless you've been in that situation. Like, I could never understand her when it comes to losing her husband, because I never had a husband. But yeah, I just hate when people say, I understand, like, you don't. You have no clue. You have no clue. And I'm taking that same sponge, and I'm just pressing that powder into my skin. Y'all, I wasted so much makeup on, not wasted because I'm doing looks for my Instagram and stuff, but I wasted, not wasted essence. I use so much makeup and I'm not going anywhere. So when I do this, I'm doing it for you. So appreciate me. It's so easy to define my cheekbone, but if you can't define your cheekbones, literally feel on your cheek and then feel the bone inside your cheek. Like, it's literally right there. So Baby girl. Just give you a reason to smile. And this is the moment I start feeling myself. Whoa. Whoa. That's literally what I do when I do it. Okay? Taking this blue out of this palette. I'm putting it in my lid. So I put that blue at the bottom of my lash, or the bottom of my lid. I hope you guys can see it because I'm loving it. I'm going to take my Coty coconut setting spray and I'm going to play. Okay guys, I'm back. I had to get my hair straight, put my wig on, put my style so I could take some pictures. Yeah, I hope you guys like this look. What I did with my lips is I lined it with a brown liner and then I went in with this She lingerie lipstick. I got it from the pop-up shop. If you guys want more information about that, you can go watch that video on my page. And then I also got this one from the pop-up shop too, and it is Baby Pink by I9 Life. Like I said, if you want more information on that, you would. It was a net just flew in the camera. Anyway, you can go watch that video on these two lips, the lipsticks or whatever. So yeah, that's all for my video today. I hope you guys like this look. I hope you guys enjoyed our little talk today. And I'm about to be out. Make sure you like this video. Make sure you watch this entire video. And if you did, matter of fact, you're at the end of the video if you're listening to this. So scratch all that. Thank you guys for watching my video. I hope you guys like this look. If you have any questions, put the comments below. And I will see you guys on my next video. Bye.